Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so let's jump on into our Tuesday. We have a little bit of our morning message there to teach you about the sun. So read that and find out a little bit about it. Remember, tell someone that was what you were looking forward to doing outside today, since it should be a nice day outside. All right, let's take a look at our day. All right, we are going to be Zooming today. You know, I do not usually put up the information on here, but we will be Zooming today. I will be sending out the meeting ID and the link to your parents in the email. So make sure you check those emails for the information for our Zoom today. Our weekly schedule. Here we have our Tuesday day, so make sure you check this out. There is a good amount of work to be done today, so make sure you work hard and stay focused. Today is Tuesday, so today is kickball day. Play ball outside. You can split your family into teams or play or practice by yourself. Send me a picture if you're playing with it. Maybe you're playing with Miss R. All right, speaking of Flat Miss Er, please make sure you're emailing me your pictures. I absolutely love getting pictures from you about your adventures with Flat Miss Er. And thanks for sharing them if you have already. All right, we have our celebration. Congratulations to Sanjana and Luke for our students of the day. Today we are going to make sure that we are logging into the student form here by clicking that link to write a comment for Luke and Sanjana to show them a little bit of happiness. All right, this is one thing we didn't talk about yesterday because for some reason my video did not upload. You have a new read aloud called Charlotte's Web. This is completely optional. What I'm going to do is leave all of these chapters here for you to read. Possibly maybe you want to be reading it now. Maybe you're looking for a book over the summer, but I will have these chapters linked this week. Then I'll have chapters 9 through, I want to say 17 next week. And then the following week, I'll have the last couple chapters. You do not need to do this. However, if you're someone who likes to listen to a read aloud and want to hear a good book, take a listen. I believe the videos are done by Mrs. Mulhall. Writing today, we are going to be jumping into our new goal of writing a fractured fairy tale. You are going to watch a teacher video here to learn about a fractured fairy tale and what that includes. Then in your own words, you are going to explain what a fractured fairy tale is by creating a Flipgrid response. So in your response, you are telling us, what do you think a fractured fairy tale is? In reading today, you're going to identify the theme of fairy tales and analyze adapted fairy tales. You are going to be watching a video by Mrs. Traverson. You are then going to, optional, listen to the Limpopo first, and then your turn. You're going to read The Gingerbread Man. You're going to read The Ninja Bread Man. So we have a fairy tale and we have a fractured fairy tale. Both of them are available on YouTube for you to listen to, or you can go to the Epic to read them yourselves. You're then going to complete a Venn diagram for the differences and similarities between the fairy tale of the Gingerbread Man and the fractured fairy tale of the Gingerbread Man. So that is what you're doing for reading today. Here is a sample from Mrs. Traverson. She did an awesome job. Great job, Mrs. Traverson, about the similarities and differences of Limpopo versus Little Red Riding Hood. I hope you see here what is expected from our Venn diagram, that it is not just one difference, one similarity. No, there are a lot of differences and similarities that you can be using. I am expecting it to look something like this. Maybe not as much, but definitely more work than just one difference and one similarity. Social studies, we are going to explore your country on Google Maps. There is a video tutorial here to teach you how to use Google Maps if you've never used it before. You may want to revisit your video links or your research tourist attractions for your country. And then as your assignment for today, you are going to tell us, where did you go? What are your thoughts about your trip, and share them on Flipgrid. Just in case you forget who your country are, here is your country assignments. Math today. Math, you're going to be watching the video for extended facts. You're going to have your extra multiples video here if you would like to watch it as an additional video. But your job today is to complete page 255 and 256. And you're going to have an exit slip for 8.2. This is one of your last assignments for math, so make sure you're working hard and really focusing on it. This is a really important skill for you to be able to know moving into 4th grade. And then we have our optional science activity for the week. Some of you have gathered materials to create your s'mores oven. So make sure that you're doing this on a nice day. I think today is supposed to be a really nice day. So hopefully yesterday maybe you started to build it. Make sure if you do it, send us pictures. And that's all I have for you for today. There's no early finishers. You can go back to an old slide from a previous week if you're interested in those things. But you got a good amount of work to do today. So make sure you stay focused. I know it's a little bit more than we are used to, but remember this is our last week of academic goals. So work hard and get this stuff done so we can have some extra fun next week. So work hard today, boys and girls. Remember to be kind, stay awesome, and like always, shine bright. See you later.